I'm Jen Maher. I'm a Squarespace expert and a Squarespace authorized trainer. I'm also the owner and founder of Nerdville by Jen Maher, which started off as a Squarespace designer training program, but ultimately became this incredibly collaborative environment where now my team of nerds and I work together through the Squarespace marketplace to help our clients. The way that we help our clients is through sessions. We have our clients book time with us because we really feel like when we work one-on-one with our clients rather than just for them, we're helping to put the power back in their hands because we're helping them understand. They get to offer immediate feedback as we show them different possibilities and different ways to achieve their goals, but they're also listening and learning and watching as they go, so they're feeling more empowered and more in control of their website and their internet marketing. So our clients can spend an hour with us, they can spend a half a day with us, they can continue to have mentorship sessions where they're unlocking and unleashing the power of all of the different tools and features and benefits within the Squarespace platform over time. When I first was introduced to the Squarespace platform, I originally was really drawn to it because I thought it was going to be very easy for my clients to navigate and update the content on their own, which is completely true, but I quickly realized that it's not just an easy to navigate platform, it's not just a pretty website. This platform is so powerful and so robust and has so many incredible features and benefits and tools within it that I felt like a lot of my clients didn't even understand were there or know how to use them to best benefit their own unique situation. So that is kind of how Nerdville came to be, and we love being able to help our clients kind of discover all of those features and benefits. That became like mind-blowing when the Squarespace marketplace came out, because essentially what happened was, we have this group of people like myself and my nerds that, we love to learn, we love to share our knowledge, we're very passionate about that. And at the same time, you have this group of, clients everywhere, Squarespace users that really needed to kind of discover some of those pieces. And the Squarespace marketplace did a really good job of bringing that all together. So all of a sudden you had, these matches coming together. We were meeting these incredible people from all over the world that we could offer our assistance and kind of share our knowledge with them and help them achieve their goals. So it's been just incredible. I would say especially during COVID, that was just, so humbling and inspiring, because what we were seeing locally and even, through the internet and on the news, you were seeing that businesses were kind of crumbling or struggling to survive. And what we were seeing through the marketplace was super inspiring. People coming to us and saying, I have to adapt, I have to evolve my business. And we were able to introduce them to some of the tools and features and benefits within the Squarespace platform that could definitely help that happen. So that their businesses were not only just surviving COVID, but they were actually thriving through COVID, which was phenomenal. And so that the Squarespace marketplace has been it's been a complete honor to work with the clients that we've worked with. I cannot say enough great things about the platform and the people that we have met and the relationships that we've made. I highly encourage you to take a peek around. There are some fantastic experts and designers there that can not only help you achieve your goals and see your vision, but they can help you exceed your own expectations.